So for the past year, what we've been doing here with Iosepa is we've been preparing Iosepa that we're going to circumnavigate the island of Oahu. We actually had to sand off all the old epoxy and varnish, and then we put new layers of epoxy and varnish on the hulls.
And that's what it is. You haku, you braid together all of the knowledge, the different facets of knowledge that's connected with a canoe, and all that it represents, and it is that it has to be together before you can even sail.
Participating in the Iosepa project has definitely taught me more about my Hawaiian culture and where I come from, how my ancestors voyaged in the past, and learning how they did wayfinding and how it was their way of life and how they navigated.
You know, Iosepa has been here since 2016 at PCC, not going anywhere. But now we're moving forward, and we're moving forward as a community. We started off like 10 people. Now we have over 60, 70 people coming out. Not just BYU members, not just PCC employees, but our community from all of Ko'olauloa is coming here to learn, to grow, and to grow together.
I work here as a tour guide at the Polynesian Cultural Center, and I would always take my guests to Iosepa, you know, so that they can learn about voyaging, because without it, well, there would be no Polynesia. So I'm really grateful for the experiences that I have had so far, you know, working with the local communities and taking that lesson to me, you know, in the future of, you know, getting together as ohana.
I wanted nothing more than to see it in the ocean, to see the way that it interacts with the water, to see what it would be like to actually experience voyaging like the ancient Polynesians did.
The number one value of a canoe is to care. When we're on the canoe, we care for each other. We also care for the canoe.
Iosepa will sail, and it will bring light to the world, to Hawaii, and then to the rest of the world.